This is Lida Tools' new product, MCU MIG-200X. Let's open it to check the functions. There are 4 kinds of mode totally: MIG, SYN MIG, MMA, Lift-TIG. Let's check one by one. At MIG mode, this is the switcher of voltage and current. You can choose the materials and the gas at here. This machine is very good at aluminum and stainless steel. Choose the functions at here. First, welding wire choose, and the 2T40 spot welding. Hot start, inductance, arc force, the second mode is SYN MIG. You can adjust the current. If you also want to adjust the voltage, you can do like this. And the materials choose and the functions are same with MIG mode. The third mode is MMA. Functions: hot start, VRD on off, arc force, anti-stick on off. The last mode is Lift-TIG. If you want to see more details of this machine, welcome to visit our website www.lidatools.com. Bye bye.